awesome.
He said this is better than going to Disney World.
I wanted to see Santa at the North Pole, and I like trains.
It's a very nice trip. I would say 1225 draws them completely.
All the sights and sounds and smells, these things just attack all of your senses when they're running down the track. It's pretty cool. Just the appeal, the history, the great show they put on here in Ashley, everything about it's just the magical Christmas experience.
I am like when it was moving like really fast.
We have chicken noodle soup, potato soup, and hot dogs.
I think people just love the experience of going to a small town.
I've done every North Pole Express in the book. I'm a Christmas fanatic and believe in Santa still.
It's all so much fun that it doesn't feel like work. Waving to the kids as we go by, getting to be on a machine that's 77 years old. There aren't too many of these running. There aren't too many people who get to do this anymore.
If you can't love Christmas, there's something wrong. And coming for Christmas and doing this trip is a very wonderful thing.